Hello, this is Skaggs. I'm in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm a certified Quantum Touch Level 2 instructor. Today we're going to be talking on stuff, your hot flashes. Now, what's discussed between you and your doctor is between you and your doctor. We give no medical advice. Nutrition-wise, if you talk to nutrition, that's fine. Both of them are very good. We just look at it from an energetic perspective. Hot flashes, in a way, is kind of like fever, and fever and hot flashes really aren't bad. They really do the body good. It fights off viruses and bacteria, but you don't want it for a prolonged period and also for an extended period. So if you can work on it energetically, it really, really helps. You have two places in the body that's what they call set point for the body temperature, and they're the thyroid and the hypothalamus. They regulate that. They of course, they do many, many other things, but those are the two main ones right in there. So these are some of the areas we would work on energetically when it comes to hot flash. We'd work on the adrenal glands, the liver, the pancreas, the pineal gland, the stomach, the kidneys, besides the thyroid and the hypothalamus. Those are the areas that we would work on right there, and this would really help. I've had wonderful results on that. All my contact information is there also, so you probably already hit the subscribe, hit the like button, and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.